I've discovered a secret platform that's changing everything for content creators like us. It's called.
Here's the twist. This platform is officially locked to users in just one country, and if you're not there, you're completely blocked out.
In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method to unlock it from anywhere in the world. No subscriptions, no coding, no paid VPNs. By the end, you'll be able to create marketing videos that look like they came straight out of Apple, Nike, or Tesla's creative department, right from your own desk.
Step 1. Setting up access. First, you'll need to download the Opera browser. Once it's installed, open it and look for the profile icon in the left down corner. Here, you'll find the VPN option. Turn it on. Now, change your location to Americas. It's auto-connected. This will trick Google into thinking you're in the USA. Unlocking Opal for you. Step 2. Finding Google Opal. Next, go to Google and type Google Opal. Click the first link that says, "Welcome to Google Opal Experiment." You're now on the official site. This is where the magic happens. Opal is still in early testing. It launched July 24th, 2025, and most people don't even know it exists yet. Step 3. Signing in to Opal. Click Sign in to Opal and log in with your Google account. Click Continue, give any necessary permissions, and you'll land inside your Opal dashboard. This is where you can start creating. Click Create New to begin your first project. Step 4. Exploring the interface. You'll see different tools like Blog Post Writer for content creation, Book Recorder for narrations, Business Profiler for branding, Video Marketer. This is the one we want because it makes cinematic ads. When you click Create New, you'll see a box saying Describe what you want to build. That's your prompt area. Just type what you want and Opal will do the rest. Step 5. First example, luxury car ad. Let's test it. I'll type a luxury sports car speeding on a coastal highway at sunset, cinematic shots, dramatic music, text overlay showing brand name. Click the arrow button and Opal will start processing. This takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, click Start, answer a few style questions, and your video will be generated in HD without watermarks. Here's the result. Smooth camera pans, glowing colors, perfect music. It feels like a professional ad agency made it. Step 6. Second example, burger shop ad. Now let's try a food ad. I'll enter close-up shots of a juicy cheeseburger being prepared, melted cheese dripping, slow-motion bite, upbeat music, bold text with shop name. Same process, wait for it to render, then download. The final result? Mouth-watering visuals, perfect for social media marketing. Again, completely free. Step 7. Downloading and sharing. To download, click the download button, or make it public to get a shareable link for friends, clients, or social media followers. Don't submit too many requests at once or Opal might slow down. Try different styles, cinematic, animated, minimalist, to see what works best. Use detailed prompts. More description equals better results. So now you know how to unlock Google Opal from anywhere in the world and start creating high-quality videos instantly. I'm telling you, once more people find out about this, it's going to explode. So get in early, experiment, and wow your friends or clients with professional ads you made in minutes. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment what your first Opal video will be. I'll reply to as many as I can.